Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I know we all like to have moments when we can unplug and not be interrupted by electronic devices. But at other times, when we don't have power and we really need to be able to answer that important phone call, get back to an email, or even charge a tool, you really need an auxiliary power source. Having this Westinghouse power station available for when we need an instant source of power has been so convenient. We just recently went camping and we were able to charge our cell phones along with using the lights that are on the power source itself. There's a nice bright light that you can use to look around or to light your way to the bathroom. Or there's a kind of reading light that was really nice for use inside the tent. My husband has been taking this to work with him and it's been perfect for use to charge the batteries on his power tools. So if a battery dies, then he's not just left out in the field with no way to do his job. We also use it extensively in our warehouse because we have a limited amount of plugins. And this has just been perfect for plugging lights into or fans or charging whatever it is that we need. I'm not sure how we got by without having one of these before, but now that we have one, I definitely can't live without it. It's been so convenient to have on hand, and there are times this winter I know we're going to use it when we lose power. I'm so happy we have it, and that's my point of view.